Hi, I'm Dr. Lina Garcia. I'm a holistic dentist in South Barrington, Illinois. And I want to introduce you to my book, Cleaner Teeth, Longer Life. I'm very passionate about longevity. I have had a lot of good longevity in my family, and I want to share with you everything about longevity and how we go about supporting that. Now, this book was forwarded by Dr. Joseph Marcalla, that I'm sure many of you know him, and by Dr. Dietrich Kleinhardt, and they've been patients and friends for many, many years. And here is my co-worker.
Hi everybody, I'm Ornella. I'm a lawyer from Romania. I met Dr. Garcia many years ago as a patient. My whole family goes there. We love her. We started to talk about healthy raw recipes, and we discovered we have this passion together. We create recipes, we eat a lot of raw food in our diet, and we want to inspire you. We get together a lot and we create these recipes together. We want to inspire you to try them. All these raw recipes, they are so delicious. We use herbs and we use spices, and you can check them out on our website, which is
drlinagarcia.com. drlinagarcia.com. And we want to inspire you, your friends, your families. That's how we inspire our patients to be healthier and have a happy, healthier life with foods as your medicine. Thank you so much.
Try these recipes on the website. They are so easy and they are really easy to access on the section dedicated on the website just for recipes. Thank you.
See you soon.